Okay, today let's just trim this up so that it's not so leggy, so it's more compact. Use your directional pruning. If you want your branch to go a certain direction, you just prune to that leaf that goes the direction that you want your branch to go. And we are also pruning for ramification, so you want to prune down as far as you can. And we don't want some of these branches running into one another and colliding, so I don't always prune to the first set of leaves. I prune to what makes the tree look good, to make the branches shape the tree the way I want it, because I don't use wire. So you gotta shape the tree the way you want it. Directional pruning comes in handy. Now, a lot of these I'm going to throw in water, or I'm going to throw in some soil to propagate them. I always do that with my willow trees, the majority of the time. Even if they're short, I still cut them for ramification. Alright, that's about all we're gonna do with this tree, but that right there will keep it going. Took care of its legginess, and it will keep the directions that we want it to go, and it will keep the ground. Oh, we missed one, didn't we? Well, we'll let that one go, actually, because it's going in the direction we want it to go. Alright, thank you, everybody. And I have this pot here that already has some sedum growing in it. And I took the bottom set of leaves off these cuttings. And I'm just gonna randomly, well, first, some of this ground is kind of hard. And make a nice hole for that in the ground here. Set that there. Then, let's see, we'll take these leaves off, the bottom ones off. There's buds at each leaf, so that will also activate the ones that need to be activated. Plant those in just random spots here. See, when I prune my willows, I never let that go to waste. Because these trees will root themselves so readily that there's no reason not to try to grow more of them. Whether it's for bonsai or for landscape trees or whatnot, you know, you can always have more trees. Give them as a gift to somebody. Alright. And there you go. There you have it. These will grow faster than you believe, dude. Alright, thanks.